Corporate governance is the system by which companies are directed and controlled. It deals largely with the relationship between the different parts of a company, the directors, the board, and the shareholders. And it exists to ensure that companies operate in a fair, equitable, and appropriate manner. Transparency and accountability are the most important elements of good corporate governance. This means three main things. First, the timely provision by companies of good quality information. Secondly, a clear and credible company decision-making process. And thirdly, that shareholders give proper consideration to the information provided and make considered judgments. The UK has some of the highest standards of corporate governance in the world. The UK Corporate Governance Code sets out good practice, covering issues such as board composition and effectiveness, the role of board committees, risk management, remuneration, and relations with shareholders. Whilst corporate governance primarily concerns large, publicly owned companies, it makes sense for small businesses to be aware of the principles and to adopt good practices in the way they are run. After all, although small businesses don't typically have large boards or extensive shareholder groups, they do have investors or multiple business partners with a substantial interest in the success and growth of the company. Adopting sound corporate governance demonstrates that the company has a culture of transparency and fairness and conducts business in an ethical and accountable manner.